Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can change your name on your Facebook. So first, from here at this home page, we want to go to the menu, which is on the bottom right corner, right here. And then find the gear icon right here on the top right. And then click on the personal and account information. And then click on the name. And then from here, you can now change your name. Your first name, your middle name, and your last name, you can change that. But please note that if you change your name on Facebook, you cannot change it again for 60 days. So don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. So once you have thought about the name you want to change it to, just click the review change, but sometimes you might have this pop up right here. Then that's Facebook making sure that you are using your authentic name. So it might be hard to find a way around that, but eventually they will let you to. So that is all for this tutorial. I hope that helps. Thank you.